Are your Realtek application failing because of the seapo64.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix those broken file references immediately. Quickly resolve seapo64 inconsistencies with the official optimization software linked below. This is the seapo64, the Realtek Audio Processing Object, APO for spatial effects. It manages unmanaged real-time audio signal processing for 3D surround sound. It facilitates the hardware-accelerated orchestration of sound environment manifests. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. seapo64 is a standard component within most gaming graphics runtimes. You can resolve this by installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy D3DX and X input files, and updating your GPU drivers if the error involves OpenGL, OpenCL, or CUDA. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the seapo64 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for seapo64. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to seapo64. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for seapo64 or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.